Okay, yo, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on our Jayda Wayda Inspired Braids, okay? So to get started, I'm first parting her hair down the middle. Then I will be parting from ear to ear. I wanna make sure that middle part is like directly in the middle, even though those three braids in the back, because it also help with the three braids in the back, making sure that middle braid is even. So you just want to make sure you're parting evenly from the nose to the nape of the neck. Then we're going to part from ear to ear. Today's products I will be using the Murray's Edge Wax. And as you can see, we got our two braids in the front and then our three braids in the back. Now, Jada's braids, her two braids on the side were, I want to say, more towards middle end position, and that one braid in the middle was higher up. I don't know why, but I did it. I put it the way that she wanted it. She wanted it exactly like Jayda Wayda's. So we're gonna mold the hair as if we're doing a ponytail, not necessarily a braid. You want to make sure you're molding so that it is flat. So to mold, I'm using the Murray's Edge Wax. I love this depending on the type of texture hair that you have. If you're relaxed but have coarse hair, this works good. If you are natural, this works great, okay? This edge wax is like the bomb. So I'm just molding her hair, and then I want to go ahead and pop a ponytail holder on there, and to make, as you can see, I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought, but yeah, I'm going in and molding inside because I want it to be flat. I want that ponytail where the braid is going to be sitting flat, just like if you were doing a sleek ponytail. So just comb, comb, comb. I did a lot of combing and a lot of positioning to make sure I had these ponytails positioned correctly and evenly where they were supposed to be. So that way the two braids on the outside were positioned at the same, the same place. The two braids in the front, I made sure they were positioned in the same place as well. If you have all five braids positioned differently, you're going to look crazy. So just take your time. Make sure you're molding so that it is flat. After I did apply this Murray's Edge Wax off camera, I did apply Got to Be Freeze Spray. You can use Got to Be Freeze Spray, or you can use Spritz, a holding spray, a firm holding spray, and apply that and blow dry. So when I'm applying a ponytail, I'm keeping my hand flat so that this ponytail is tight. As put it on there, I want to make sure it's tight. Once you put the ponytail on, comb through your ponytail. If you need to apply some product, I did use the Shine and Jam as well with the Aries Edge Wax. But I put the Shine and Jam on the ponytail part just so they can blend in with the braiding hair. Now, these braids are going to be done as box braids to start off, not necessarily knotless, because these braids are going to be big. So I did split one section in half, and as if you're starting a box braid. I don't know, and folded it. I don't know really how to explain that part. There's plenty of box braid tutorials on YouTube that you can watch. So I started it off as the box braid and then fed in the second portion and the third portion of hair so I could have that full thickness of a braid. And then we're just going to braid down. And once you're finished braiding, you want to wrap braiding hair around the base of that ponytail just to give it that, a sleeker look. I don't know if Jada's braids were like that, but I did do hers that way. I also was tucking her hair as I was braiding and applying the Shine and Jam onto her natural hair to blend in with her braiding hair. This look was fun to do. It was different. I enjoyed it. her head is smaller in the back. So that's why the way I parted it that way, because the back of her head is not that wide. So I'm gonna just go ahead and braid on down, braid it all the way down until you can't braid no more. Okay. And I want you guys to don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. On Instagram, the Alexis.Chanel. On Facebook, AlexisChanel TV. Also, this braiding hair was 36 inches. This is the RUWA Roya pre-stretched braiding hair that I'm using on my client today, which is my little sister. You guys seen her a lot on videos. I always have to mute our videos because what we be talking about be crazy. And this girl curse a lot. So I always have to mute whenever I'm doing her hair. And if you guys didn't catch my live that I did when I did her hair in a quick weave with the soft waves, the Marilyn Monroe soft waves, and like the Hollywood style makeup look, go watch that. I'll leave a link to that live in the description bar below, and go check that out. You can see like how crazy we really be talking. So before I did each braid, I went on ahead and molded and put the ponytails in her head where I want the braids to sit. That way it would be easy a process for me, and I could, get her hair done quicker. So you want to see how I'm wrapping, around the base, and I'm using the Got to Be Freeze spray and then a blow dryer to make sure that wrap is neat and firm. I'm not going to continue to talk through this video. This is a very quick video. I wasn't going to make this too long. It was very quick. This isn't that hard. And this is the last braid. I'm not even really showing you guys how I did this, but comb through that and mold that ponytail. And you guys will, catch me doing her baby hairs and how I do baby hairs. Just a little quick tip and trick when doing baby hairs. Once you have used the comb to position your baby hairs where you want them to go, use that the rat tail end and just take it across the edge of the baby hair, and it will make it neat. For her baby hairs, I used the edge wax. I did not use the Shine and Jam because I don't think she really had a relaxer at this time, so it helped, keep it neat. And I didn't use the flat iron for those fluffy baby hairs. I don't really care for them as much because they do not last to me. And everyone does not know how to do their own baby hairs. So I would like to, do the baby hairs for my client and send them on their way. As I do the baby hairs, I do apply the Got to Be Free spray or a very firm holding spray. Spritz is another good one. And then I blow dry it so that they are firm. But anyway, this is just the ending, and you guys will see how the look came out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Stay tuned to whenever I post. Share my videos like a little hoe around town. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.